Jai Sriman
Mandara saying, "Ho Kaika, your husband Dasaratha making Rama as the prince of this kingdom, not your son. Come on." He made sure that your son is not in the kingdom. He made sure that your son Bharata is sent to your home. He made sure that when he is not in kingdom, he is giving this kingdom to Rama. If you do not stop this, your husband Dasaratha Maharaju, just like a serpent, big serpent, is going to bite you and bite your son. Come on, get up. Like that, Mandara warned Kaikeyi. Then Kaikeyi, the moment she heard the news of Ramapattabhishekam, Harsha Sampurna Chandralekheva Saradi, with boundless joy, Kaikamma got up and saying to Mandara that, "Oh Mandara, how much ever joy Kausalya would feel after getting the news of Ramapattabhishekam, the same amount of joy I am also feeling. Oh Mandara, I really thankful to you for sharing me such a wonderful good news." While saying that, Kaikeyi gave a nice ornament to Mandara and saying that, "Kimva bhuyaha karomite." How much ever I give you, it is very less to you, O Mandara, for the news that you shared me, for the good news that you shared me. O Mandara, realize that Rameva Bharateva aham. How much ever I love my own son Bharata, the same amount of love I have towards Rama. Bharata is no more than Rama, Rama is no less than Bharata for me. Both of them are same. Ho Mandara, name param kinchit. The news that you gave me, there would not be any greater news for me for my entire life. You cannot find any greater news for me, Mandara. Like that, Kaikamma expressed all her sincere joy out of listening Ramapattabhisheka news. She is telling all these things to Mandara. Kaikeyi started giving some ornaments to Mandara as a gift. And now saying that, "Oh Mandara, I feel like giving more and more ornaments for the great and very good news that you shared to me today." Then Mandara threw all the ornaments that Kaikeyi gave to her, now saying that, "Oh Kaikeyi, I am feeling like laughing at you because you do not understand the situation. Now the time for you to cry a lot, but you are just enjoying. What is this? I am feeling like laughing at your amount of ignorance. Then, if Rama becomes king, do you understand this? You will become maid to Kausalya, and your son Bharata becomes a servant to Rama." Like this, Mandara told Kaikeyi, with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.